Here's our top 5 takeaways of Laguna Gloria in Austin, Texas. 1. The property boasts incredible natural areas, including a beautiful amphitheater ceremony site, walking trails, and lakeside sunsets. 2. This historic museum is a short 10-minute drive from all the best downtown Austin hotels. 3. The venue allows you to choose your own caterer and bar service, so you can keep it casual or splurge on a fine dining experience. 4. The venue comfortably accommodates up to 175 guests, with practical rain plans in place. 5. Built in 1916, the estate was inspired by a honeymoon visit to Lake Como in Italy. If all of this sounds good to you, let's explore Laguna Gloria and find the venue that fits your vision. Well, don't stop here. Join me for a more detailed, in-depth tour. Build a venue-specific budget based on your guest count and visualize your day with professional custom layouts. Stop scrolling endlessly for wedding venues. Everything you need to pick the best wedding venue is right at your fingertips.